Hello everyone! Today, we'll talk about how to set commission rates in a Freelancer Marketplace platform using an out-of-the-box solution, the Freelancer Marketplace Plugin. Using this plugin, we can set a commission for both freelancer and customer. Today, I'll show you how to do that and how it works. To set the commission rates, simply go to the Settings tab, Main Settings, and Commissions. Here, define a rate either for freelancer, customer, or both. Then save. Here's now an example how the commission rate is applied for both users. First, the freelancer will try to submit a bid, and right here, they can easily see the commission rate and the amount that will actually be paid to him. While on the customer's side, we can see the commission applied by accepting the bid. On the checkout page, you can see the commission amount and the actual amount paid on checkout. There you have it! Now you know how to add commission and how it works on a WordPress Freelancer Marketplace. If you want to learn more, just watch our other videos or visit our website at www.pluginsandsnippets.com. Thank you!